Hello and welcome back. So, in this session, let us explore the exciting potential earnings in the chocolate business. Many aspiring entrepreneurs like yourself are drawn into this industry not only for the love of chocolate but also for its lucrative opportunities, right? The chocolate business offers a wide range of earning potentials, allowing entrepreneurs like you to build profitable business ventures from their passion. So let us see what is possible. Because before we start this course, it is essential that you know what is the earning potential that is um, available in this particular industry. Sorry. So if you are a beginner, earning potentials can range anywhere from 50,000 to 1 lakh per month. This initial stage allows you to establish your brand, refine your products, and build a customer base. For example, Bean Therapy Chocolates, founded by Priyanka Rawat in Mumbai, she started as a small artisanal chocolate brand. Through innovative flavors, quality ingredients, and strategic marketing, Priyanka grew her business steadily. Within a few years, Bean Therapy Chocolates expanded into a presence across multiple cities in India and began exporting to international markets. Today, the brand reports monthly revenues exceeding 3 lakhs per month. How is that? Yes. So this is possible. Now, let us see if you are in the growth phase. I mean, like you already have some customers, some running business, you have some expertise in making some unique chocolates and things like that. So that means you are in the growth phase. So if in this particular growth phase, like if you are dedicated and use strategic growth um, tactics, earnings can significantly increase beyond 1 lakh, sometimes even reaching 3 to 5 lakhs or more. Now, for example, Choco La, founded by Vasudha Munjal in Delhi, has become a renowned name in the luxury chocolate segment. Starting with a single boutique store, Choco La gained popularity for its premium chocolates crafted from Belgium cocoa. Now, by focusing on product excellence, customer experience, and strategic retail expansion, Vasudha grew Choco La into a chain of upscale chocolate boutiques. Now, the brand generates monthly revenues over 5 lakhs per month. So, she is serving the high-end chocolate market, but this is just one example. There are a lot of examples like this. Even one of my own student, Muhammad Ali, he is doing part-time chocolate making and is marketing only in one locality. Still, he is making anywhere from 4 to 4.5 lakhs a month. Now, I'm also talking about the potential earning potential, what you have if you scale your business. But in this particular course, we are not looking into scaling because that is an entirely different training for scaling. Um, this course is only for beginners and those who want to grow and take it to uh, at least 1 lakh a month income. Now, just talking about the earning potentials in chocolate industry, see if you are having a diversified product lines and uh, expand your market with distribution channels and cater to larger markets. you can further boost your earning potential. It is not uncommon for established chocolatiers to generate monthly revenues over 5 lakhs. Take this example of the Chocolate Heaven, founded by Sunil Patel and Raj Anagdat. Is a successful chain of dessert cafes specializing in chocolates and desserts. So, starting with a single outlet in Mumbai, Sunil and Raj capitalized on the growing demand for indulgent desserts and expanded their business rapidly. Today, the Chocolate Heaven operates multiple franchise locations across India and abroad, achieving monthly revenues averaging rupees 8 to 10 lakhs per outlet. Their success shows us that the scalability of a chocolate focused business model um, has got immense potential for growth and expansion. So, what is the opportunity ahead? The chocolate industry presents a great opportunity for passionate individuals to turn their love for chocolates into a thriving business, no doubt about it. Whether you are starting small or aiming for significant growth, the potential for earning substantial income is within your reach. So, the chocolate business offers a promising path to financial success. From starting modestly to scaling up operations, the potential earnings are diverse and encouraging. As you get into this journey, remember one thing, that with dedication, creativity, and strategic planning, achieving substantial monthly incomes is not just a dream, but a tangible goal. You can achieve it. So take inspiration from the success stories in this industry and believe in the potential of your chocolate business. Together, let us explore and unlock the limitless opportunities that await.